So you may remember from the early TikTok videos that we had an original C1. It's not that one. It's a slightly different one, and it's in here. LSD6W, look at that. An excellent motor vehicle. Behold. And then we'll like overlay some like sunshine on it. That is an engine.
Camber.
Lots of camber, look at the wheels. So we have a new engine. That is the new engine. I have transferred over alternator, exhaust manifold, inlet manifold on the far side. And I just need a new water pump on it, clutch, and then the gearbox will go on, and then it'll go back in. I've done a bit of cleaning in the engine bay because it was very minging. So I've done some rust prevention on the subframe there, and I've cleaned there. So now you can see it's all black. That was all very orange and brown. So now that's now red. That was black. So yeah, I've done some interesting stuff, but I have some ideas. Yeah. I want to make it into a rally car. Now, it would be excellent if there were some people who would be interested in coming on board into making the C1 rally car, an actual rally car. Now, I have some basic plans for it. It involves a roll cage, a sump guard, some bucket seats, and some harnesses. And for the type of rallying I want to do, it doesn't need to be done properly. It just needs to be a safe car. Yes, you can do it in a standard car, but I would like to have a roll cage and stuff like that because then it's safer. Those are the rally wheels. They are freshly painted. They are Opel Manta wheels. Yes, of course. They are.
They weigh a lot.
Yes. They are blue with metallic.
Blue?
Well, no, it's meant to be grey, but they look a bit blue in the light.
So what we're fixing today?
We are doing the water pump. I'm waiting on parts at the moment. So it's just a precautionary measure. I mean, I think the water pump's fine. I'll inspect the water pump that comes off it, but I've got a brand new one ready to go on. It's a pain in the arse to change if I have to do it when the engine's back in. So I may as well just do some...
No harm in it.
No harm in it, exactly. So I've got a new belt. I mean, there's nothing particularly wrong with this one. There's no signs of wear on it particularly.
It's brown, but...
Yeah, I mean, it looks alright, but it's just peace of mind. It's one less thing to change and go
How much was it?
£11 for that, and then the water pump was like 40 quid.
I swear you go to a garage, they'll charge you 200 quid for that.
Yeah, I mean, like, it's super easy to change. It's literally 4 bolts and it comes off. So they're 13mm bolts. Nothing on this engine has been 13mm, but for some reason these are.
They were actually made in France.
Yes, this is the only bit they made in France. They made it difficult.
Look at that.
And I don't have any power tools, so it's a pain in the arse.
Mechanic.
Look at that. Mechanic. Oh, that's a very short bolt. I was not expecting it to be that short. This is like Blue Peter's, that one I made earlier, because I've already loosened off all the bolts.
I thought they were already loose.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there's 5 bolts.
5?
Is there 5 on the new one? I don't think there was. Oh, dear.
On the new one?
Yeah, I've got a new one. New pump.
No. Look at that.
Look at this.
Machine.
Power. Ah, look at that. Oh, go away.
This is a bit less.
Yeah.
This is a bit less professional than Matt Armstrong's.
No, I disagree. I think me and Matt Armstrong are very similar people.
Yeah, I mean he's rebuilding what 720S now.
720S. Crashed M3 that went into a house.
A broken C1.
Yeah,
Same thing.
Right,
same
right.
thing. Same thing.
Yeah, same thing. It's off. That looks brand new. That is literally brand new.
Looking at it through this camera, it looks absolutely shagged.
Hello, fellow Sven Grube followers. He is a ginger, lanky twat.
It's a lovely day.
It's a sublime day. What were you saying? I heard ginger. Well, that's the new one. It does look a bit shagged. It's fine. I'd be more than happy to put that back on. There's no play or anything like that. Gasket. I think this is going to leak.
You reckon?
Yeah. The gasket looked way too raised up. Where have I put the rest of them? Right. So based off this bolt pattern down here, which you probably can't see, but anyway, I've made a bolt pattern so I know which one goes where.
3 long ones and 2 stubby ones. If anyone wants to know Sven's bank details...
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. There's 2, this is the last long bolt, and then it's 2 short ones. Last bolt, people.
This is the old one.
A bit brown, but it's in good condition. Tighten up, people. I feel like I should probably do this evenly.
No.
And of course, the torque setting is tight. Look at that.
Mechanic.
Torque setting is always tight.
Torque setting is that'll do.
That'll do, yes, correct.
Right,
now I'm
nice.
just going to just double check that everything is that'll do. Opposites, because I don't know if that's what you meant to do, but I'm going to do that anyway.
No.
It makes sense with a gasket, I guess. If it leaks, I'm not doing anything about it.
Are we just stupid?
I think so.
Well, we'll find out when you turn the engine on and it just breaks.
Flies straight off.
If anyone wants any apprentice mechanics,
Yeah, not me.
we are here to help. We've just fitted a...
Water pump.
Exactly.
You didn't even know what it's called.
What torque setting's this? What even is that?
It's an adjuster. I can't remember what the word is called. But you adjust the belts, the tensioner. That's it.
Tensioner.
Yeah, you adjust it. So you wind the bolt in or out to get the belt as tight as you want. You want like tight, but then like a little bit of wiggle like that, just enough so it's not going to come off and come off the grooves. Oh, you! Nothing to see here. Well, that's still loose, but that's worrying me because that's.
Maybe it is meant to go in there. No, that wouldn't make any sense.
Well, it's your job that we have a car that already has one.
Your dad goes to college on a moped. Your dad goes to college on a moped.
Your dad does wheelies in the college car park.
You got your handbrake on, yeah?
I'm a massive idiot. Just ignore anything I've done so far. And to go up there.
Oh! I see. That would make sense.
Yes. That's what that guide thing's for.
Yeah, and that's why it's got grooves.
Like, surely why should that be resting against a bolt? That's just going to shred it.
Yeah, that's why it's got grooves. Yeah, like I said before, if anyone wants to...
Probably not my smartest of
Yeah, if anyone wants some on-site mechanics...
Yeah, handy man.
£200 an hour, we'll do magnificent jobs like this.
Excellent work.
Excellent.
Egg.
So that's got...
That must go... Right. Ow!
No. That one goes...
Yeah.
And then that makes sense. You've done it too tight. Oh, no.
If he does.
Where's the hammer? Sick. If I went to a garage and I saw them doing that, I'd give him a tip.
Yeah.
So what's that?
A tensioner.
No, this. That's the exhaust manifold. Right.
You know we can insert a clip of there. Top gear. What else is electrical? Not the exhaust manifold. Right, well that's the end of the episode. I haven't got anything else to do.
How do you deal with the LPG? Because you've got all these pipes and whatnot.
Just unplug it.
Just get rid of it.
I thought there was going to be a massive explosion when I took it off. But I took it off and it was just happy. Fine. Nothing exploded. There's no funny noises. So, yeah, the pipes just came off and it was alright.
So if you have LPG in your car, this is mechanical advice from Sven. Just unplug it and it's sound.
Everything will be fine. There's no bangs, don't be worried. If anyone wants to come on board with a rally car, then that would be sublime.
So what's this going to be called? Episode 1 of building a C1 into a rally car.
Episode 1,
C1 rally car.
C1 rally build car.
Yes. Rally build car.
That is it. Yeah. It's quite a bad episode, really, because it's literally me just changing a water pump.
Well, for some reason, I filmed it for 40 minutes.
Yeah. 40 minutes?
I've got 40 minutes of footage.
Au revoir.
If you like these videos, let us know.
Let us know. Give us a message on Instagram if you want to tell us about things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like what you think we should do with the car. That's what you should be telling us on Instagram. So, yes.
Alright, goodbye.
Goodbye, people.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Or,
Arrivederci.
as the French say, snail baguette.